Hello and welcome to HiWayFX market news for February 18th, 2016. On Tuesday, the Euro-US dollar pair trades in a positive area by adding 0.15%. Currently, the key currency pair is trading near the mark of 1.1150. Yesterday, we did not observe a big reaction of the pair on releasing the minutes of the Fed's meeting, as market participants have been quite anticipating such an outcome from the committee. However, as Elias Haddad, currency strategist at Commonwealth Bank, says that the cautious tone from the January FOMC meeting minutes highlight that the downside risks to the US growth outlook has increased. We still expect the Fed to resume raising rates in June, which will continue to bode well for the US dollar. The resistance levels for Euro are 1.1183 and 1.1211. The support levels for Euro-US dollar are following: 1.1081 and 1.1026. Today, the Canadian dollar reached a two-week high, the mark of 1.3650. The Canadian dollar got benefits from a jump in oil prices. As Reuters reports, investors warmed to the Canadian currency after oil prices surged after Iran voiced support for a Russia-Saudi-led move to freeze production. Although Iran gave no commitment it would curb its own output to deal with the market glut, signs of cooperation between rival producers helped to boost battered oil prices, with Brent crude futures rising to around $35 per barrel from this week's low below $32. The resistance levels for US dollar-Canadian dollar pair are 1.3683 and 1.3707. The support levels for the pair are 1.3652 and 1.3618. On Thursday, oil trades in a positive area. Currently, US crude oil consolidates near the level of $31 a barrel. As Reuters reports, crude prices rose during the Asian trading session on Thursday after Iran welcomed plans by Russia and Saudi Arabia to cap production, although analysts said the move would not lead to any output cuts and Tehran offered no action of its own. After oil prices rose in the previous session as much as 8%, commentators suggested markets had overreacted to Iran's support for the caps and said the Russia-Saudi move would not likely reduce the global surplus. The resistance levels for US crude oil are $31.70 and $32.20. The support levels for the oil are $30.60 and $30.10. Stay up to date with all the key financial news around the world by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, and subscribing to our YouTube channel. For more information, please visit our website www.hiwayfx.com. Thank you and have a good trading day.